Thanks for sharing the live out. I saw that. Appreciate you. Very sweet. Ishi Barbecue, thank you. Thank you, Kingdom. The hot sauce. This online. That's what you're asking for. We need to get some more mermaid tops, you guys. Yeah, we need more mermaid tops. Right there. I'll get some more too. They're fun. They're so fun. One with shells on it would be so cool, honestly. Woo. At the beach, Robert Asper that says, Wilson, welcome. Let me see if I get the ocean in here. Thanks, guys. Everybody here to follow. What are y'all doing tonight? We're just on live for a couple hours. Each side. And then we'll be on live tonight a little bit. I was going to go live last night, you guys, and I fell asleep on y'all. I got into a food coma and I just couldn't do it anymore. I couldn't even form a complete sentence, so there was no way I could have got on live. Also, I was like really tired. I think from, I don't know how many days straight of, obviously that was 11 days straight of a tournament. And then I don't know how many days I was on live before that. So it was 11 plus however many before. Hi, CT. So, yeah. And they said, sorry, I don't know how to leave. I can't leave. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. So, you have to figure it out. Let me see. What else we got? I like this song too. 5 and 9. We just said something. We got, I don't know if these are Karens or not. We're about to find out. I distract your morning. I'm so sorry. Who's Nora? Who's that? Someone named Big Sexy joined. We don't even know what some of this is meaning, honestly. Wow, it's correct. Whatever.